Have you ever wondered if Modalyst handles shipping? It's a common question among online entrepreneurs who are considering using this platform to source and sell products. In this video, we'll dive deep into Modalyst's shipping policies and explore whether it's the right solution for your business. What is Modalyst? Before we get into the shipping details, let's quickly recap what Modalyst is. It's a wholesale marketplace that connects online retailers with suppliers, allowing them to dropship products directly to their customers. This means that you don't need to hold inventory, and Modalyst handles the fulfillment process. Modalyst's shipping policy. Now, let's address the main question. Does Modalyst handle shipping? The short answer is yes, but there are a few things you need to know. Modalyst's shipping partners. Modalyst works with a network of reliable shipping carriers to ensure your products are delivered safely and on time. These carriers may vary depending on the supplier and the destination country. Shipping costs. Shipping costs are typically calculated based on the weight, dimensions, and destination of the product. Modalyst will provide you with an estimated shipping cost before you place an order. However, it's important to note that the final shipping cost may vary slightly depending on the specific carrier and any additional fees. Shipping times. The shipping time for your products will depend on several factors, including the supplier's location, the destination country, and the chosen shipping method. Modalyst will provide you with an estimated delivery time based on the information available. Tracking. Modalyst will provide you with a tracking number once your order has shipped. This allows you to track the progress of your shipment and keep your customers informed about the expected delivery date. Benefits of Modalyst's shipping solution. Using Modalyst's shipping solution offers several benefits for online entrepreneurs. Convenience. Modalyst handles the entire fulfillment process, from packaging to shipping. This saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business. Asterisk. Reliability. Modalyst works with reputable shipping carriers, ensuring that your products are delivered safely and on time. Asterisk. Cost-effectiveness. While Modalyst does charge for shipping, their rates are generally competitive. Plus, you may be able to negotiate shipping discounts with suppliers if you order in bulk. Asterisk. Customer satisfaction. By offering timely and reliable shipping, you can improve customer satisfaction and build trust in your brand. Asterisk. Potential drawbacks. While Modalyst's shipping solution offers many benefits, there are a few potential drawbacks to consider. Limited control. As Modalyst handles the shipping, you may have limited control over the shipping method or carrier. This can be a disadvantage if you have specific shipping requirements. Asterisk. Cost variations. Shipping costs can vary depending on the supplier, destination, and product. This can make it difficult to accurately predict your shipping expenses. Asterisk. Is Modalyst's shipping right for you? Whether Modalyst's shipping solution is right for you depends on your specific business needs and preferences. If you're looking for a convenient and reliable way to dropship products, Modalyst's shipping service may be a good option. However, if you have strict shipping requirements or need more control over the fulfillment process, you may want to explore other options. In conclusion, Modalyst does handle shipping for its online retailers. While there are some potential drawbacks to consider, Modalyst's shipping solution offers many benefits, including convenience, reliability, and cost-effectiveness. Whether it's the right choice for you depends on your individual business needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.